Hello students, today we will learn about polynomials, chapter 2 of class 9 mathematics. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज लाइक इट एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल. So first of all, what is polynomial? A polynomial is an expression consisting of polynomial variables and coefficient. अब वेरिएबल स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता है जैसे x, y, z, मतलब दैट इज नॉट नोन टू यू, जो इसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है, आप कोई उसकी वैल्यू डाल सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड. सो इट इन्वॉल्व्स ओनली द ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एक्सपोनेंट्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. मतलब जैसे अगर x है तो वी कैन हैव x स्क्वायर, बट वी कैन नॉट हैव x की पावर -2 और x की पावर 1/2. नाउ take an example of polynomial of a single indeterminate, that is single variable x is x square minus 4x plus 7. तो क्लियरली जो x है हम उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू इस एक्सप्रेशन में डाल सकते हैं. सो इट इज अ वेरिएबल. A polynomial comes from poly, that means many, and nominal in this case it means term. So it says many terms, मतलब an expression that consists of one or more than one terms. Now a polynomial can have first constants like 3, -20 or 1/2 or anything. Means in constant you can have 1/2 fraction, that is 1/2, 3/4, so on, and variables like x and y, exponents like 2, that is y square, y cube, x square, x की power 4, so on, that can be combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. मतलब कॉन्स्टेंट्स को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं बट नॉट वेरिएबल्स, एक्सेप्ट नॉट डिवीजन बाय अ वेरिएबल. दैट इज वी कैन नॉट हैव 2/x, 2/y, 1/y और 1/x square and so on. Now we will look at some example. Look at that. 3x, it is a polynomial x -2 -6y square minus, here look at that, 7/9 is a fraction. So we in constants we can have fractions. Again 3xyz, that is a variable with three variables, polynomial with three variables x, y, z. So we can have variable also multiplied in term, and we can have 0.1 like fractions, so on. Similarly we have even 5. Look at the last example, that is 5. So 5 is also a polynomial. We will discuss all these types of polynomial in next. Now we will look at which expression are not polynomials. So we have an example of polynomial. Now we will look whether this is a polynomial or not. So first of all look at 3x की power minus y square, that is 3x y की power -2. Now look at that, we have already said that a component cannot be negative, there has to be whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this is not an polynomial because y has a negative exponent factor. Again look at 2 by x, 2 divided by x plus 2 is not, because we are dividing by a variable which is not allowed. So we cannot divide by a variable in polynomials. Similarly 1/x is not an polynomial. Now look at root x is not, because exponents cannot be in fractions. I have already told you exponent has to be a whole number, that is an integer, positive integers. So we can have constants with fraction, that is we can have 1/2x, but not x की power 1/2. So these two things you have to carefully remember, students. So we have to remember whole number exponents, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no fractions, and second, no variable in denominator, that is we cannot have 3/x. Now we look at what are things that are allowed, and you might think that these are allowed. That is some confusions. That is x/2 is allowed because you can divide by a constant. Means 2/x is not allowed, but x/2 is allowed. Now similarly 3x/8, again we can divide by a constant. Root 2 is allowed, मतलब root x is not allowed, but root 2 is allowed, that is constant can be in under root, can have exponent power of fractions. Now we will take the main topic, that is polynomial in one variable. In 9th class we will dealing with this only. So we will start with our topic. polynomial expression having only one variable is called as polynomial of one variable. Means that we can have either x alone or we can have either y alone or z. In expression you can write it x, y, z, but you cannot have x or x and y both. That means the variable or indeterminate is only one. It can have power, that is x square, x cube, but it is only one. We generally denote it by x. Normally we are taking x only, but it can be have values of y, z, v, w, anything, whatsoever you want. Now we will take constant polynomials. So when we are starting with polynomial with one variable, first of all I will tell you what is a constant polynomial. A polynomials with no term consisting of variables is called constant polynomials. Means कहीं भी कोई भी जो value है that can be, that is example हम ले लेते हैं 2, 5 means there is no x, no y, no z, only numbers, and they can be anything, x, fractional, irrational, rational, anything. So these are called constant polynomials and they have only one term. Now we have a special case, that is 0. The constant polynomial 0 is called a zero polynomial. Means the value 0, if you write it as 0, it is known as zero polynomial. Now I will tell you how we denote the polynomial. Normally with the polynomial having variable x, we denote it by p, bracket में x लिख के px or q or r something, and we can write like this. For example, I will write like this, that px equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. This is only a notation. You can write it as px, you can write this as qx, but the in bracket, if variable is you define it by x, then in bracket you have to write it x. If you define it by y or anything, you have to write it like qx, you will write x square plus 2x. Now in the third example you look at, I have in bracket I have written it as y. तो जो आपका polynomial होगा, it has a variable y. So in bracket we are writing the variable. So r bracket y is equal to y square plus y plus 1. The expression can be anything, but when you are expressing in bracket the variable, it must be the same. Similarly, in case I am writing u, so it is 2 minus u square. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको इस चीज समझ आएगी. ब्रैकेट में हम लोग अपने वेरिएबल को डिनोट करते हैं, और जो से पहले लिखा जाता है वो एक्सप्रेशन को सिर्फ डिनोट करने के लिए कि वो p जो है वो x पॉलिनोमियल है x के अंदर, q है वो पॉलिनोमियल x के अंदर के साथ, एंड s इज अ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ वन वेरिएबल विद वेरिएबल u. Now I will define you term. मैंने भी पहले अपनी काफी सारी बातों में वर्ड यूज किया term, but then I will define what is term. So take an example of a polynomial x square plus 2x. इस एक्सप्रेशन में जो x square और 2x हैं, they both are called as terms. मतलब जितने उसमें x square subtraction addition के मिडल में जितने भी एक्सप्रेशन आपके आएंगे, they all are called as terms. So similarly take an example with 3 terms, that is 3x square. Again there is a addition 2x, then subtraction minus 8. So terms are 3x square, 2x and minus 8. So they are separated by addition and subtraction. So you look at in diagram, the first term is known as leading term, and the term without variable is known as constant term. So you understand this? This is very simple, और हम आगे normally terms के बारे को फिर constantly use करेंगे. Now I will tell you what is coefficient in the polynomial expression. Each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. For example, I will explain about coefficient taking an example. Look at this. यहाँ पे x cube plus 2x square plus 7x minus 2. This is a polynomial in one variable having x as a variable. तो अभी मैंने क्या coefficient के बारे में आपको बताया है कि each term has a coefficient. So there are 4 terms. First term is x cube, second term is 2x square, third term is 7x, and then it is 2. So we will take first term x cube. So x cube has a coefficient 1, that is 1 dot x cube is always, so it is has a 1. Now x square के आगे जो constant लगा हुआ है, that is its coefficient, and it is 2. Coefficient of x is 7. And now when it comes to this last term, that is when this is a constant minus 2. So it is a coefficient, minus 2 is a coefficient of x की power 0. So this is that x की power 0 is always 1. So we can write this as x की power 0. We can write that like x cube plus में 2x square plus में 7x minus में 2 x की power 0. So -2 इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर। तो आपके पास जितने भी वेरिएबल्स के टर्म्स हैं उनके साथ जो कांस्टेंट लगा हुआ है दैट इज नोन एज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ दैट टर्म, और जो लास्ट में कांस्टेंट आ जाता है उसको हम x की पावर 0 कह लेते हैं। तो द कांस्टेंट इज अ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x की पावर 0। नाउ वी विल क्लासिफाई द पॉलिनोमियल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स। तो आपको समझ आ गया स्टूडेंट्स टर्म्स क्या होते हैं, कोएफिशिएंट्स क्या होते हैं। नाउ वी विल डिफाइन आवर पॉलिनोमियल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, मतलब एक पॉलिनोमियल में कितने टर्म है उसके हिसाब से हम पॉलिनोमियल को डिफाइन करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ देयर इज ओनली वन टर्म देन वी कॉल इट एज मोनोमियल्स। मोनो मीन्स वन, सो इट इज मोनोमियल्स। यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स एक कंफ्यूजन होती है, लोग सोचते हैं अगर वन टर्म है दैट मींस इट इज अ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। नो, इट कैन बी एनी polynomial with any degree, that is it can be x cube, but the term is one. For example, that is x cube is also a monomial. -2 alone, it is a monomial. 5x, it is a monomial. You can have x square only, it is a means the term in the polynomial is single, only one. The second case is when there is from 1 we will now move to 2, that is we have two terms, it is called binomials. And example are 2x square minus 7, x cube plus 2x square, x cube plus 1, x plus 2, anything that polynomials having two terms. Now we will move to the next, this is polynomial having three terms are known as trinomials. Similarly, tri means three. These are simple: mono, bio, tri. You all know it. In this, they have three. That is x cube plus 2x square plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 2, and etc. and so on. तो ये काफी सिंपल है, आपको सिंपल देखना है कितने टर्म्स है, टर्म्स के हिसाब से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कितने मोनोमियल्स है। दैट इज मोनो है, बायो है, ट्रायो है, व्हाटसोएवर। इट इज क्वाइट इजी। और आप लोग इसको थोड़ा हर जब भी अपने एक्सप्रेशन को देखें, पॉलिनोमियल एक्सप्रेशंस को, तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करें कि मोनोमियल है, बायनोमियल है, ट्राइनोमियल है, और आप उसको बहुत इजी और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फाइंड करेंगे। सो नाउ आई हैव मेक अ डायग्राम फॉर यू, दैट इज मोनोमियल वन टर्म, एग्जांपल -2x की पावर। I have taken x की power so high because to express you that it does not depend on what is the power of x. It only depends that there is only one term. Now the second is binomial, 2 term, trinomial, 3 term, and then 4 term polynomial and so on. We are having. It does not matter कि we have one variable, two variable. It doesn't matter. If we have one term only, obviously there will be one variable. In two term, in binomial we can have two variables also, but still we are dealing with only one variable. So I have for monomial, binomial, trinomial, I have taken only example with one variable only. Okay, sir. Now we will move again. Now this is degree of the polynomial. Till now we have learned what is term, what is coefficient. We have classified according to the terms. Now we will take what is degree of a polynomial. So it is the highest power of the variable in the polynomial as the degree. So you know that the highest power of a variable. So if we are dealing with only one variable, so I have take example of one variable only. Take an example x cube plus 2x square minus 8. मतलब यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखिए, x cube है plus 2x square minus 8, इसके पास तीन टर्म है. If we move from right, that is 8 is constant, that is x की power 0. So then we have x square and x cube. Clearly x की power 3 is the highest power of the variable. So degree goes to 3. Okay. A degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. अब इसको आपको मैं समझाता हूँ. जैसे मतलब non-zero constant means like 8. 8 is a constant polynomial and 8 is not equal to 0. So it is a non-zero constant polynomial. मैंने आपको पहले बताया था 8 is equivalent to 8 into x की power 0. So here the highest power of x is 0. So we say that the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. And the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Means that a polynomial which we have already defined as 0 only, that is a number 0, is इसकी जो degree है that is not defined. So in case of 0, we can say that the degree of polynomial is not defined. So please remember this. This is very normal. Normally people say a zero polynomial has a 0 degree. No, a zero polynomial degree is not defined. For constant polynomial, the degree is 0. Now we will classify the polynomial in the basis of degree. Till now we have classified the polynomials on the basis of terms. So don't confuse this with the previous classification. Now we will define it using degree. So a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, means the highest power of variable is 1. Polynomial with degree 2 is quadratic polynomial, means highest power of variable is 2, that we can have x square is the maximum. And for 3 degree, we call it as cubic polynomial. So we are having linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So till now we have two types of classification for polynomial. First is base of terms, mono, bi and tri polynomials. Now based on degree, that is linear, quadratic and cubic. इसको आप समझने चाहिए ना, जैसे आपने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आप लोगों ने बहुत पढ़ी है, लीनियर इक्वेशंस पढ़ी है, क्वाड्रेटिक, तो आपको ये क्लासिफिकेशन में डिफरेंट करने में इजीली हो जाएगा. यू कैन नाउ लुक एट दिस. फर्स्ट इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या होगी? 0. एग्जांपल 2, 3, 5 एंड सो ऑन. वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 = 2x². फॉर लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल डिग्री इज 1. एग्जांपल आर x + 2, y + 2 and so on. We can have x plus y also a linear polynomial, but because we are dealing only with one variable, so I have taken. For quadratic polynomial, we have having example like 2x² + 1. For cubic polynomial, it is x³ 2x³ + x + 1 and so. So thank you students. Here we come to the end of part 1. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get notification of all my new videos. If you have any queries, you are welcome. Students, please write in the comment section. I will be coming with a video on your queries. Again, thank you students.